Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by opening Google Sheets and locating the exact spreadsheet you want removed. Once in Drive, check ownership, because only owners can permanently delete. Editors can remove sheets inside a file, but not the file itself. If you don't own it, make a copy or request ownership. Make sure to close any other devices editing the file so no conflicts occur. Now open the spreadsheet and proceed to the Sheet tab or the File menu to prepare for deletion. Now you'll perform the core deletion actions. To delete a single worksheet, right-click its tab and choose Delete. This removes that sheet from the spreadsheet but not the entire file. To delete the whole spreadsheet, go back to Google Drive, right-click the file and choose Remove. That moves it to trash. Once done, empty the trash to permanently remove it. If you might need it later, use File, then make a copy to preserve data before deleting. Finish by managing trash and recovery options so you don't lose important data. After removing the file, open Drive's trash and choose Empty Trash to permanently delete. Otherwise, the file stays recoverable for up to 30 days. If you change your mind, restore it from trash within that window. If deletion fails, make sure you're signed into the correct account and that the file isn't open elsewhere. Then retry or contact Google Workspace support if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.